Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I did this crisscross hairstyle guys. So watch every step until the end. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair from one side of the ear to the other side of the ear. The back section, I'm just going to tie it. We're not going to braid guys, we're just going to tie it like that. And I'm using wax to make sure that my lines are straight. Yeah, so at the front I'm going to open a slanted line like that, and then I'm going to apply my wax, and then I'm going to make sure that my line is straight and clean guys. I'm using wax instead of gel because my Isoplast gel is finished, so that's why I'm using, but the wax is just the same as the gel, the results are the same. So I also open the line on the other side. I'm going to start with the middle section. I'm going to open my line right here, and then on the first line I'm going to have two boxes. So apply your gel and make sure that your line is straight, and then I'm going to open the hair in, I'm going to section the hair into two right here at the front, and then I'm going to have two boxes right here at the front. So just open like that, apply your wax like that, and then open your line again, and then I'm going to take one side and then I'm going to pin it away. So for this, apply your wax, and then I'm going to take my rubber band, and then I'm going to tie my hair, and after tying my hair I'm going to twist it guys. So if you have relaxed hair, you can just tie your hair like that and then apply the gel to the rest of your hair, and then it's okay like that. But if you have 4C hair, for it to look neat you have to twist your hair down like that guys, it will look neat. Yeah, so I'm just going to twist, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other section. Just apply your wax like that, and then take your rubber band and tie your hair, and then twist it down. So guys, the wax is like oil based, so the rubber band won't break your hair guys, and when you want to remove it you can just pull the rubber bands because it will be oily. Yeah, so I'm just going to twist the hair going down like that. On this middle section right here I had a total of 4 sections. Yeah, so the first section right here I had 2 boxes, and then the second section right here I have 3 boxes. So just apply your wax and then make sure your line is straight like that, and then I'm going to open my box right here in the middle, like you're doing bricklayering. So open in the middle of the first box. Apply your wax to your hair, then section it into 2, take your twist, place it in between, and then take your rubber band and tie the hair guys. We're doing crisscross right here guys, so just tie your hair, and then after tying you can then twist it down. So I'm going to be showing you 2 methods on how to put your hair in between another section like that guys. So on this first section, the middle section, I'm going to be doing this method all throughout, and the other section on the side I'm going to show you another method you can do on how to make the crisscross. So right here open another box and then apply your wax, and then make sure your line is straight, and then I'm going to section my hair into 2, and then take the twist from the first box right there and place it in between, and then I'm going to tie, and after tying I'm going to twist the hair down, and the box that is remaining on the middle right there guys, I'm just going to tie it and twist it down, and then I will join it to the section that is going to be on the 3rd row. So just twist it going down like that, and then this one just apply just tie your hair and then just twist it going down. So make sure when you have 4C hair you twist your hair so that it will last longer and it will be neater than when you just apply gel and leave it like that. But if you have relaxed hair you can just apply your gel and leave it like that. Yeah, so for the 3rd row I'm going to have 4 sections. So I'm going to open my first box, and then I'm going to take the middle right there, the middle twist that we did in crisscross firstly. So I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to join it right here to this section, and then I'm going to twist the hair going down like that guys. So just make sure that you're crisscrossing the hair so that your pattern will show. Yeah, so twist going down like that, and then I'm going to open another box right here, and then I'm going to take the twist from the other side, and then I'm going to place it in between, and then I'm going to tie and twist it going down. So just make sure you're crisscrossing it. Don't put your twist like in the box that is behind. Make sure you are putting it across like that, guys. So this box that is on the other side right here on the second section, I'm going to put it on the last box on the third section, guys, so that I can have that crisscross. Yeah, guys, so I hope you understand the pattern that I'm trying to do right here. So for the last section, I'm going to have 4 boxes also. So for the 4 boxes on the last section, I'm going to make my crisscross like the 2 boxes that are in between. I'm going to crisscross it going to the last boxes on the sides, and the last boxes on the side from the third section, I'm going to make them come to the middle box. So this one that is in the middle, I'm going to tie it on the box that is on the side right here, and then the other box that is on the middle, I'm going to tie it to the other box that is at the ends on the other side, guys. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say right here. So twist right here going down, open the section that is on the side right there, and then take the middle box and place it in between the hair, and then tie and twist your hair. So the 2 boxes that are on the side right here on the third section, I'm going to crisscross them on the boxes that are going to be in the middle right here, guys. So just put it right here, and then the other one you put it on the last remaining box on the middle, guys. So right here, open the hair and then place your twist in between, and then tie with a rubber band, guys. You can see my crisscross pattern is showing. Yeah, so if you want to do it like this triangle pattern, you can do it this way, but if you want to do it straight, it will be easier to achieve. So I did the other side of camera, and I'm going to show you this side. So I'm going to open my first section right here, and then I'm going to apply my wax to make sure that my lines are straight, and then I'm going to apply my wax to the hair, and then I'm going to tie my hair with a rubber band, and then I'm going to twist it down. So I'm going to be using the middle section as the guide on how my lines are going to be right here, guys. So just follow the size of the middle boxes to open the side right here, guys. So just twist your hair down on this one, and then the other box, just apply your wax, and then I'm going to show you the second method. So tie your hair about 2 times, and then take the twist and then tie it together, guys. So if you don't know how to do the second method, or it's difficult for you to do, I mean the first method, you can do this method instead. You can start off by tying your hair, and then you can add the twist when the hair that you want to tie first is tight enough. So apply your wax right there, and then I'm going to tie the hair, and then I'm going to add the twist right there, and then I'm going to continue to tie, and then I'm going to section my hair into 2, and then give it a little bit of a tug to make it tight but not too tight, and then just twist it going down, guys. Make sure it's not too tight, because if it's too tight, it's going to cause you a headache, guys. It's easier to make this rubber band hairstyle tight, so make sure it's not too tight. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply my wax to the third box right here on the second section, and then I'm going to apply my rubber band, and then I'm going to twist it down, and I will join it to the last section. So just tie it like that, and then just twist your hair going down like that, guys. And after twisting, we are going to do the last section. So for the last section, I'm going to open my box right there, and then I'm going to join it with the last box we did right there on the third section. Yeah, so just join them together, and then just tag your hair and twist it going down, and then I'm going to open another box, and then I'm going to take the twist on the upper part right there on the third section, and then join it and then twist it going down, guys. And then I'm going to do that on the last twist again, guys. So that is how I achieved the crisscross on the front right here, guys. So for the back section, I'm going to be using a half wig, guys. I'm going to link the tutorial in the description on how I made the half wig so that you can go and check it out. So just tie this twist to the back section of your hair that you tied right there, and then I'm going to remove one twist right here on the side, and then I'm going to make a braid. Yeah, so just crisscross your braids like that. Do a traditional braid right here, guys. So just braid going down, and this braid is going to cover the part the front of the half wig, guys, so that the track it doesn't show. So just braid going down, make sure it's long, because we're going to double it right here on the front. We're going to take it from one side to the other side and then come back to the other side again. So just braid, and this is how it's looking like. So right here I'm just wearing my half wig. Like I said before, I'm going to link the tutorial on how I made this half wig in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comment section down below. So just take your braid and use your bobby pin to secure from this side all the way to the other side. So pin your pin right there, and then pin in the middle, and then pin on the other side of the ear again. Yeah, so like that, pin right here, and then flip your braid and pin it going to the other side again, guys, to cover the track, like the weft on the of your half wig right there. So just continue to pin going to the other side, and then the remaining of the braid you're just going to pin it on the back of your head, guys. And that is how I achieved this rubber band hairstyle, guys. So simple, quick, very quick to do, guys. This is so quick to do. Yeah, so this is the final look, guys. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section down below. And guys, don't forget to like and share this video to your best friends, your cousins, anyone, guys, anyone. Share this video so that they can also do this simple hairstyle. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video, and please subscribe if you're new, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I love you guys. Goodbye.